Hello everybody, it's Mr. Cassandra again. Here's the tutorial on how to use an online calculator. So I originally went over to your book website and went over to tools and went to scientific calculator. And the problem is that it only has the sine function, not the inverse sine function. And I could not find any way at all to change that so we can have the inverse sine function. So this calculator is fine for when you're using the sine, cosine, tangent, but not for solving for angles. So we have to come up with another way. So I am sending you a link to this calculator right here, desmos.com/scientific calculator. And this one works out really great. So I am going to show you how to do that first example where we had to do the inverse cosine of 8 divided by 17. So I am going to type that in here, and we have to go to FUNC, which stands for function. When you click on that, you'll see that it brings up the inverses as well as the original. Don't accidentally use the original trig function. We need to use the inverse, and the inverse of that trig function is going to help us solve for the angle. So inverse of the cosine function, and then I go back to main and do 8 divided by 17. And that is how we solve for the angle. Remember I said it would be 61.9? There it is, 61.9. You can close the parentheses if you want to over here, but it doesn't matter. You don't need to. So that is that. Now you also could use this calculator for doing that other problem that we had with the ocean floor. So if you remember the other problem we had with the ocean floor, we had to find 250 times the sine of 50. So once again, I'm going to clear this out. So if I'm going to do 250 times, and then the sine, not the inverse sine, because in this case, I'm looking for side lengths, not angles. So it's very easy to get the previous sections and this section confused. And you can see that's where I got 191.5 feet. And then we also did that for cosine, so I'm going to clear that out and do 250 times the cosine of 50 degrees. And that's how we found the horizontal distance of the boat, which was 160.7 feet. So I am going to send you the link to this calculator. If you want to, you could try and use the calculators on your phone. They might be difficult for you to use and find the buttons. So don't do that. Use this calculator because I just gave you the tutorial on it. All right, that's it. Good luck. Have a good day.